Hello friends, today we are learn about some MCQ questions about chapter 9, class 10 carbon compound. The first question is, if the number of the carbon compounds in a molecular formula of alkenes is denoted by N, then what will be the number of the hydrogen atoms? There is the alkene, it means that there is a double bond between the two carbon atoms. So the number of the hydrogen atoms is twice the number of the carbon atoms. It means that the option A is the correct. Second is generally the melting and boiling point of carbon compounds are found to be less than. Their answer is the 300 degrees Celsius. Third is the unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bonds are called. There is a carbon-carbon double bond. It means that the family of the alkenes is present. Then the unsaturated hydrocarbons whose structure contain a carbon-carbon triple bonds are called. It means that they are consisting of the carbon-carbon triple bond. That is the alkynes, which consist of carbon-carbon triple bond. The fifth question is the phenomenon in which compounds having different structural formula having the same molecular formula is called. There is a different structural formula and the same molecular formula, which is look like as a isomerism, means structural isomerisms. Option A is correct. 6. From the following hydrocarbons, that is the cyclic hydrocarbons, we should go from our options. First is isobutane, there is no because it consisting of the branch chain. Then propyne, there is consisting of the triple bond. Benzene, which is in a C6H6, which is in a hexagonal shape, and isobutane, which is the branch shape. It means that the answer is the benzene, which is in a cyclic chain, then which are having the molecular formula C6H6. Then 7th, while going in increasing order of the length, there is rises of the molecular mass of the members by. It means that there is a how many difference between the two members in homologous series. There is the 1 methyl unit. It means that there is a CH2 unit present between the two homologous series. C consisting of the 12 atomic mass and 1 hydrogen 1. It means that 2 hydrogen is 2. Then 12 plus 2 is 14. Answer is the 14 Dalton. Then 8. The general formula. The general molecular formula for homologous series of alkynes. In the alkynes, they are consisting of the triple bond. It means that CnH2n minus 2 is option is correct. Option number C is correct. Then 9. Dash is one of the combustible component of LPG. LPG is the liquefied petroleum gas, which consisting of the methane, which is combustible gas. Then 10th, at a room temperature, ethanol is a liquid. We know that in the properties of the ethanol is a liquid in state which having the boiling point 70 degrees Celsius. Then generally this is called a spirit. The methanol is called a spirit, and these spirits are mainly used in doctors, which is used by the doctor for various surgical treatment. Then 12th, CH3CH2 CHO is a propanol. Then CH3COOH. I use you directly answers, but in exams they are consisting of the 4 options. Then you should be write this option because they are consisting of the functional group COOH. It means that the functional group of COOH is carboxylic acid, and they are consisting of the 2 carbons. It means that ethane and ethanoic acid, which is formed by this functional group. Then 13th is ketone is the CO. Then ester is the COO. This answer I can give you directly. Then 14th, cyclohexane is a cyclic hydrocarbon. Isobutane, because iso is comes, it means that it consisting of the branch hydrocarbon. Then 15th, the saturated hydrocarbon single bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, which consist double bond or triple bond. Then saturated means fully filled, but unsaturated is not fully filled, which consisting of the double or triple bond between two carbon atoms. 16. Saturated hydrocarbons are blue flame, and unsaturated hydrocarbons gives yellow flame. If we can burn the saturated hydrocarbons, which is can burn in a blue flame, but if we can burn the unsaturated hydrocarbons, the sum of the unburned carbon compounds remains, so the soot particles are released and the flame becomes yellow. Then 17th, C3H8 belongs to homologous series of C3H8. It means that 3 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms, which CnH2n plus 2. It means that alkanes. Option C is correct. Then 18th, the number of the isomerism of pentane is. It means that there is isomerism. It means that how many isomerisms numbers are present in the pentane. The answer is 3 because there is a 3 different types of the isomerisms present in a pentane which is drawn by us. We should be can use the hydrogen atoms, we should be use the isomerisms or another carbon atoms at the second position or third or fourth position. Then it means that 3 positions, so isomerisms is in a 3 number. Then 19th is which of the following will undergoes addition reaction. The addition reaction is when the unsaturated hydrocarbons converted into the saturated hydrocarbon. This is called as the addition reaction. In the addition reaction, CH4 which is fully filled, which is the saturated, C3H it is also saturated, C2H6 also saturated, but C2H5 is not saturated. It means that the hydrogenation process occurs in a C2H4. 20th, the name of the functional group present in the CH3CO CH3. There is no having these symbols, but we should be considered that CH3CO CH3, which is the functional group of ketone dash C double bond O dash C. And it means that ketone is the answer of these questions, and I give some extra questions. First is the addition reaction are undergoes by. Addition reaction is reactions by which unsaturated comes in a saturated. Unsaturated are alkenes or alkynes, and saturated are alkanes only. It means that the option is D, which is consist of alkenes and alkynes. It is correct. Then second is identify A in the following reaction. CH3COOH plus Na2CO3, it gives A plus CO2 plus H2O. There is H2O, sorry. Then in this reaction, the Na can go with H and H can go with C and H can go with CO3 to form H2 and CO2, and in this CH3COONA means sodium ethonate is formed. Answer is the first, so CH3COONA. The third is the which of the following belongs to the homologous series of alkynes. There is alkynes, it means that triple bond. Triple bond which consisting of the CnH2 and minus 2. The C6H6, it is the benzene, it's not possible because it is a cyclic. C2H6 is a ethane. Then C2H5 C2H4 is the ethene, and C3H4 is the propyne. It means that it comes in a alkyne group, which is in a fourth option, C3H4. Then the hydrocarbons was 4 carbon atoms gives the molecular formula of alkene. They consisting of the 4, it means that their parental name is but. C4 alkene is the they consisting of double bond, it means that CnH2n means C4H8. The answer B is correct. And last of this series is the first member of alkyne homologous series is alkyne, which consisting of triple bond, and first member, it means that first member the methane, which is not present because consisting of the 2 carbon atoms and having the triple bond. Methane not consisting of the triple bond. The ethane is consisting of the triple bond, and their formula is C2 then H2, and the answer of this question is correct, ethane. And we should be completed our some questions. If you like this video, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.